So let me show you all the different modes. We've got mode 9.6 Hertz. Then we have the Schumann mode, which is centered at 7.83 Hertz. Then we've got Tesla 1 mode, which is at 9.63 Hertz. Then we've got the Tesla 2 mode, which is at 3.69 Hertz. Then we've got mode 14.4 Hertz, if you wanted a relatively higher frequency. Then we've got Sleep 1, Sleep 2, Sleep 3, Sleep 4, Sleep Easy mode. Then we've got the manual mode. So manual mode boots to 9.6 Hertz. First it'll prompt you for the time. So I'm going to let that be at 8 hours. It boots to 9.6 Hertz. And the manual mode on the V6 is now tunable to 1/100th of a Hertz. So that means you'll be able to set any frequency nearly exactly. So we can use the up and down arrow keys to select the frequency of your choice. Our frequency range is now 0.5 Hertz to 14.4 Hertz. So once you set the frequency to your preference, press the select start button again. Now the controller is active.